Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Today we're just going to learn how to change our documents section background here on the Wixel editor. Let's get started. Here on the Wixel editor, click on your document and go to settings on the action bar above. Your layout section panel will then open here on the left. So here on the layout section panel, make sure that you're in the design tab and then scroll down to the section background option. So from here, you can select a color for your section background or an image. So if you wish to use a color, click on the fill color option here and choose any color that you prefer. Or if you want to use an image, click on image, um, click on update image, and choose any image that you'd like to use as your background. Say for example, say this one. Then click on Add to Page. Your section background will then be updated, and you can choose to add an overlay color to it and adjust its opacity, like that, for example. Or you can add a blur effect to it so that your text above or on top of it will be visible. And also, you can tweak additional settings here according to your preferences until you're happy with how your section background looks. Your changes will automatically be saved onto your document. So that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.